With the Stellar Consensus Protocol, you need to know about nodes and quorum slices. Nodes keep the Stellar network alive by validating transactions through quorum slices. Three things need to happen for a transaction to go through the network. First step is to initiate a transaction. Once that is done, a node goes into the network looking for an approval. Then the transaction gets approved by other nodes by forming a quorum slice based on the ledger that the network keeps. When the network approves the node, a successful transaction happens. Basically, computers around the world have your records. When you send in your transaction, the network votes on to see if you actually hold the balance of your address. When the majority reach an agreement, your transaction is passed and gets recorded onto the computers. All of this happens within few seconds. The protocol follows four principles: decentralized control, low latency, flexible trust, and asymptotic security. Subscribe for more short crypto informational videos.